9 Worst Foods That Feed Cancer Cells. Welcome to today's video. We're diving into a critical topic, 9 foods that feed cancer cells, based on the insights shared by Barbara O'Neill, a widely respected health expert. In this discussion, we will uncover foods that contribute to creating an acidic environment in the body, a condition that promotes the growth of cancer and other diseases. Barbara emphasizes that cancer, along with many other diseases, thrives in acidic and oxygen-deprived environments. Therefore, maintaining an alkaline pH balance is one of the essential steps to help the body protect itself and reduce the risk of cancer. Barbara clearly explains that the pH level of human blood typically ranges between 7.35 and 7.4, an ideal alkaline level to ensure stable health. However, when cellular pH drops to 5.5, diseases such as cancer, yeast, and mold have a greater opportunity to flourish. One key factor contributing to acidification in the body is the consumption of sugar-rich foods. When sugar is metabolized, it not only raises acidity levels but also disrupts the balance of gut bacteria, a crucial component in maintaining immune and digestive health. Additionally, sugar triggers inflammation, further increasing the acid load in the body and creating a favorable environment for cancer cells to grow. Barbara stresses that reducing the intake of sugar-laden foods and focusing on alkaline-promoting foods can help maintain an ideal pH balance. This not only helps the body naturally combat cancer but also creates a hostile environment for cancer cells, supporting overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore a list of foods that should be limited to avoid creating an acidic environment in the body, as recommended by Barbara. This list includes red meat, hybridized wheat, caffeinated drinks, refined sugar, aged cheeses, dairy products, alcohol, and tobacco. While it's not necessary to eliminate these foods completely, maintaining balance in your diet is crucial. Barbara encourages a daily intake of 70 to 80% alkaline foods and 20% acidic foods. This balance helps maintain optimal pH levels, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and strengthen the body's ability to combat cancer. Let's delve into each group of acid-forming foods that Barbara has explained in detail to better understand how to protect your body and sustain long-term health. 1. Red and processed meats. These foods are rich in phosphorus and protein, which can increase the acidity in the body and place stress on its natural pH balance. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that excessive consumption of red meat can lead to an acidic environment, making it favorable for cancer cell growth. Additionally, processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and canned meats often contain preservatives and harmful chemicals, increasing the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. To minimize these risks, you should limit consumption of these foods and opt for healthier protein sources, such as plant-based options or low-toxin fish. 2. Hybridized wheat. Modern wheat has undergone extensive hybridization and modification, making its gluten structure much more complex compared to original wheat. Barbara O'Neill explains that these changes make it harder for the body to digest, leading to gluten intolerance in many individuals. This can result in symptoms such as bloating, abdominal discomfort, fatigue, and brain fog, a sense of mental cloudiness or lack of focus. Long-term consumption of hybridized wheat may negatively impact digestion and compromise gut health, reducing the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients effectively. 3. Caffeine. Foods and drinks containing caffeine, such as coffee, have high acidity levels. When consumed in excess, they can deplete essential alkaline minerals that the body needs to maintain pH balance. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that when the body's pH-regulating systems are disrupted, it has to rely on alkaline minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium to restore balance, leading to deficiencies of these critical minerals. Excessive caffeine intake not only increases acidity but can also weaken the immune system and elevate the risk of chronic diseases. To protect your health, it's crucial to moderate caffeine consumption and prioritize healthier beverages. 4. Refined sugar. Barbara O'Neill highlights refined sugar as one of the most potent acidifiers in the body when metabolized. Upon consumption, sugar transforms into byproducts like lactic acid and acetic acid, significantly increasing the body's acid load. To neutralize this acidity, the body draws on its alkaline mineral reserves, such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, leading to potential deficiencies. This imbalance not only disrupts pH stability but also heightens inflammation throughout the body, providing an environment conducive to cancer cell growth. Barbara advises reducing refined sugar intake to maintain a balanced pH and protect overall health. 5. Aged cheese. Aged cheeses contain high levels of mold and have a strong acidic nature, increasing the risk of inflammation and promoting an acidic environment in the body. Dairy products in general, particularly cheese, produce acidic compounds during digestion, placing a heavy burden on the kidneys as they work to neutralize and eliminate these acids. The rise in acidity not only weakens overall health but can also lead to digestive issues and impact the immune system. Barbara O'Neill recommends limiting dairy consumption, especially aged cheese, to maintain a balanced pH and optimize health. 6. Alcohol. When metabolized, alcohol creates acidic compounds in the body, including acetaldehyde, a neurotoxin that can damage the brain. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that alcohol consumption not only increases acidity but can also cause serious health problems, including long-term neurological damage, memory loss, and impaired cognitive function. The acidic environment created by alcohol can weaken immune function, making the body more susceptible to chronic diseases and cancer. Reducing or eliminating alcohol from your diet is a crucial step to maintain pH balance and protect overall health. 7. Tobacco. Although not a food, tobacco creates an acidic environment in the body, contributing to a higher risk of chronic diseases and cancer. Barbara O'Neill warns that tobacco smoke contains numerous toxic substances that cause inflammation and disrupt the body's pH balance. Smoking not only damages the respiratory system but also affects the entire body, from the cardiovascular system to the immune system. Eliminating tobacco is a critical and necessary step to protect health and reduce disease risk. 8. Dairy products. Dairy, especially processed options like aged cheese and sweetened milk, can create an acidic environment that forces the body to work harder to neutralize it. This can burden the kidneys and lead to pH imbalance, ultimately affecting overall health. Barbara O'Neill suggests that to maintain an ideal pH balance and lower the risk of chronic diseases, limiting dairy consumption, particularly processed dairy products, is essential. 9. Processed foods. Processed foods such as bread, pastries, pizza, and cereals are often made from hybridized wheat and other processed ingredients. These foods not only increase the body's acidity but can also lead to pH imbalances. Barbara emphasizes that processing strips away many nutrients and adds preservatives, sugars, and chemicals, negatively impacting gut health and increasing inflammation risk. To maintain health and balanced pH levels, it is crucial to minimize consumption of processed foods and instead opt for fresh, natural, and minimally processed options. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for protecting health and preventing cancer. According to her, an ideal diet should consist of 70 to 80% alkaline-forming foods and 20% acid-forming foods. This balance helps the body maintain a stable pH environment, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Alkaline-forming foods, such as green vegetables, nuts, and natural whole foods, can support the body's detoxification processes and promote the growth of healthy cells. Meanwhile, minimizing the intake of acid-forming foods like red meat, refined sugars, and processed foods reduces stress on the body and helps maintain a stronger immune system. Barbara encourages making thoughtful dietary choices to ensure the body is well supported in its fight against disease and in maintaining optimal health. Thank you for watching today's video. Together, we've explored the 9 foods that feed cancer cells and the valuable insights shared by Barbara O'Neill. Through this discussion, we've learned that maintaining a balanced diet, prioritizing alkaline foods, and limiting acid-forming foods is an effective way to protect our health and prevent cancer. Remember, health is not just a short-term goal, but a long-term commitment to yourself. Reducing the consumption of red meat, refined sugars, hybridized wheat, and processed foods not only helps your body maintain a balanced pH but also strengthens your immune system, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and optimizes overall health. Nutritional balance doesn't have to be complicated, it's about understanding and adjusting what you put into your body every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future content on nutrition and health. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions about this topic in the comments below, we would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us, wishing you good health, and we'll see you in the next video.